x to the 5 minus 2 equal to 0. We want to find x. So here, we want to consider, you can solve with 2. Also, without 2, you can solve. We can say what? We can say, let's consider, I want to change it to 2. So I first divide both sides by 2, okay? Or let me tell you something. We take negative 2. Up to here is okay. We divide both sides by 2. It will be x over to the 5 over 2 minus 1 equal to 0. And then I want to know that 2 is what to the power of 5? 2 is fifth root of 2 to the power of 5, okay? So we can say it will be x to the 5 over. Let me tell you. X to the 5 over fifth root of 2 to the power of 5 minus 1 equal to 0. Now in next step, if we have a to the m over b to the m and a and b are positive, we can write it as a over b to the m. So here we can write x over fifth root of 2 to the power of 5 minus 1 equal to 0. Now we define by changing variable. Let's consider y equal to x over fifth root of 2. So it will be y to the 5 minus 1 equal to 0. Next step, we try to factorize. We have a famous factorizing. Let me tell you, it is an minus bn equal to a minus b times an minus 1 plus an minus 2b plus up to bn minus 1. And if we apply it here, it is like y, the 5 minus 1 to the 5. It will be y minus 1 times y to the 4 plus y cubed plus y squared plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now, we have two cases. The first case, the first bracket is 0 or second bracket is 0. If first bracket is 0, y minus 1 is 0. So y equal to 1, and y was what? Y was x over 2 fifth root of 2 equal to 1. Now, if we cross multiply x equal to fifth root of 2, and you can check. X is, we want to solve it in complex numbers. It's problem. Here, so x equal to fifth root of 2, it is our first answer and satisfies our equation. In next step, let me tell you we should do what? We say that the second part is 0. Y to the 4 plus y cubed plus y squared plus y plus 1 is 0. We know that y is not 0 because if we replace y with 0, left hand side will be 1, right hand side 0. Now we divide both sides by y squared, okay? And let me tell you something. Let me erase this part. If we have a to the m over a to the n, then it will be a to the m minus n. So if we divide by y squared, it will be y squared plus y plus 1 plus 1 over y plus 1 over y squared equal to 0. Now in next, comes the first one, last one, second one, second last one. And then we can say, okay, it is y squared plus 1 over y squared plus y plus 1 over y plus 1 equal to 0. And then I consider y plus 1 over y equal to, for example, w. Then, if we consider w squared, it will be y plus 1 over y squared. If you don't know this identity is what, we write it twice. Y plus 1 over y, and it will be y times y squared plus 1 over y, 1 over y, 1 over y squared plus y times 1 over y, 1 over y times y, 1 plus 1, 2. So this part will be w squared minus 2. So we've concluded that w squared plus w minus 1 equal to 0. Now, here, it is a quadratic equation. W squared plus plus 1 is 0. So let's write it. If we use quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, the formula is that x equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And if you check here, a is b, c is 1. Let me do something. Sorry, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Sorry, let me correct this one. It is -1, so it is -1. So let me correct this one. -1, A is 1, B is 1, C is -1. So W equal to negative B, which is -1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4AC minus 4 times 1 times -1. All over 2A. So it will be -1 plus -1 plus 4 root 5 over 2. W was what? W was y plus 1 over y. Okay, so y plus 1 over y equal to -1 plus minus root 5 over 2. Again, you can multiply by y, write the quadratic equation in terms of y. If you do that, you will find 2 answers for each case, so 4 answers for y. Okay, if you solve this, we will find 2 types of answer. The next one is -1 plus root 5 over 4. Then plus minus I root 5 over 8 plus square root of 5 over 8. The second answer is -1 minus root 5 over 4 plus minus I root 5 over 8 minus root 5 over 8. So we found 4 answers for y. And we know what? We know that x equal to y times fifth root of 2. X equal to y times fifth root of 2. So if we want to find x for each of them, we should multiply by x. So let me correct this one. We can eat x and times fifth root of 2. This times fifth root. So we found 4 answers in complex numbers and 1 answer in real numbers. If you have questions, send message to my WhatsApp number. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.